So welcome to the tutorial. Okay. So there's a first tutorial for the how to set up the database development and environments. Okay. For the lesson, we will focus on set up, okay, the XMPP, okay, for Windows. Okay. So XMPP able to deploy on the Windows or Mac. Okay. So just open your browser, search the XMPP. So you click on the result. Okay. So you have the three different platform: Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, right? So you're using the Microsoft Windows. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So you just click. Right? Only click. Right? Click here to download. Okay. Okay. So after you download, okay, you will get the installer file. Right? You just install into your laptop or PC. Okay. Yeah. So just next, only, right? Until it's done the install your XMPP. Okay. Okay. So the XMPP there is a package, right? It's the package, okay, for hosting, for web hosting, and MySQL database. Alright. Alright. So no need to install the different package for web and the other installer for the database. Alright. So after you've done the XMPP, both of the software will install into the Xampp folder. Okay. So the latest one, the version for XMPP, there is PHP 7.2 something lah. Okay. So the hosting include the PHP lah. Include the PHP. Right. So after you're done, okay, you can go to the directory XMPP. Okay. Very important here, there is a XMPP control. Right. XMPP control. Right. So when you double click the XMPP control, you will see the control panel. Okay, so we just running, we just start, okay, Apache and MySQL only. Right. Start. Right. So make sure both are green. Right. Like, make sure both, right. So we show above the port applied by using the Apache and the MySQL, right. So how to determine there is successfully installed into your computer or PC or laptop? Okay, so you go to the browser. Right after you achieve the both Apache and MySQL is green light. Okay, so you go to the local host. Right, the local host. Right. So you show that there is the dashboard for the XMPP, right? So you can be checked, right? PHP info, the version, okay, default setting, okay. Important here, there is a version, right? Version, right? There is a version, right? Version, right? The port version, right? And one more, there is MySQL, MySQL, MySQL. Make sure there is a running, right? MySQL version, okay, running on the network port, okay, and the rest, uh, there's a default, right? You can follow the default setting, okay, right? So after you make sure install into your PC, okay, the second one you need to check, right? Check your database, right? MySQL database. And so you click on the php my admin, right? So you come out, right? The database default, right? Default, it didn't have a lot of the database, right? There is a database I create myself, right? If the default one only have the information schema and MySQL, I think one more there is a performance schema and one more there is a test, right? One more there the test, right? Here we show all the uh, basic information about the PHP, right? And by default, no password, right? By default, no password, okay? So the XAMPP, right, that is for developer, okay? So after you want to deploy on the real server, real or production server, okay? Production server, okay? So you need to set the password, right? You need to set the password. Right? Default is no password, right? Default is no password, right? So you can check MySQL table. Sorry, the user, you will see there's no password. User, where is the user? Okay, I lost the file. It's okay, right? So I think the user you can insert later, right? It's the user you can insert later, okay? So you only need to make sure, right? Make sure, okay? Uh, the PHP SMPP run properly, and after you go to the local host, you can, right, uh, control about the database, right? So that's all.